Hi, I'm Christopher. Welcome back to the Franklin Project. Today we're going to get to see the final walkthrough of the house when it's completely done. You can still see the living room here. All the walls are done. All the windows are in. Doors are getting hung and hardware's getting put on them. Bathroom's all done. Just needs some doors on the faucet or on the vanity there. And some cleaning up, obviously. New lights everywhere. New windows. The carpet will be next, all through here. And then in here is that, in the bathroom and downstairs, is the laminate plank tile flooring. Went with an accordion door for this huge pantry. It still needs the racks, but you'll see that later on in this video. All new counters and new appliances, new flooring. Painted the handrail for the stairs. Now we're downstairs, just right off the stairs, into the laundry room. Same flooring from upstairs with the big sink and washing and dryer machine. It's just the touch-up paint is all that's been done down here. Bathroom down here is all finished. It turned out really good. A lot of help from my family and my girlfriend's family for this, but a lot of it with my family, just ideas and physically doing the work too. And my girlfriend also, she had a lot of good ideas. There's just a lot of work from everybody. So here's the upstairs with the carpet, and you'll see the landing that I put in right off the door, so when you walk in you have a place to take off your shoes and not be standing on the carpet if it's rainy or muddy outside. Ended up painting the front door white and getting a new lock for it, because the old lock was kind of brown and matched what was there before. Went with a digital lock, so you can enter a code outside and it'll unlock. Did a nice thick pad on the carpet. I think it really makes a big difference. Makes it soft. It's worth the little bit extra money to put on the thick pad. It makes the carpet last a lot longer, I think. And the closet doors, the hardware was put on there. Just painted the old hardware for the closet doors. Those are still the same closet doors, with the same old hardware, just cleaned up and lubricated in so it operated the way it's supposed to. And same thing through here. Had some carpet people come in and do the carpet. I didn't know enough about carpet to do that. And they're professionals and did it quick and got it done right. Had to call them back for 2 little issues, but nothing too crazy, just to stretch the closet because I thought it needed to be tighter. And then on one of the stair treads, the riser just had a missing piece, like a cut corner. But anyway, now you can see the kitchen all done and painted with the counters uncovered, backsplash installed, new sink and dishwasher. The fridge will be delivered, same sort of color as the rest of the appliances. You could see all that shelving. This is just a huge pantry with the remote control light. You could put your dustpans or whatever, uh, broom and dustpan or vacuum right there on that little empty area. I mean, just tons of storage. So you could put all this microwave and coffee machine in the pantry so that it doesn't take up your counter space. Nice accordion doors just to keep it separated and don't take up any space. We're going to go into the garage. I hadn't ever shown you guys what the garage looks like. It's just a single car garage, unfinished, just with construction material around there. All that'll be gone, obviously, but I didn't do anything in there other than move a little bit of wiring and put it in some conduit because it was just stapled to the drywall before whenever I bought it. Now the carpet's all done downstairs too. You could see the electrical that we ran along the wall to make it really nice. Have a lot of outlets in different places. You know, back when this house was built in the 70s, you didn't use electricity like you do today with, you know, your phones and everything, where you want an outlet everywhere you're at, on both sides of the couch and everything. And so that's how we added outlets to the room to make it convenient. I think this turned out really nice underneath the stairs. The only thing that we did after this point is whenever the home buyer's inspector came in, they weren't satisfied with the clean out, which was in the laundry room. When they weren't satisfied with it to get it cleaned out, they had a sewer looked at, and they said that there looked like there was some blockage all the way out where the house line meets the city line, and the Roto-Rooter couldn't get his 4-inch cutter into the pipe because it's a 3-inch inside the house, and then it goes to 4-inch once it gets outside the house. And so on the outside, we just had a double put in with 4-inch so that the Roto-Rooter cutter could get in there and cut both ways with the 4-inch, and he got it all cleaned out. And then we videotaped it for the buyer, and they were satisfied and went along with the sale. That's pretty much it. Everything's all buttoned up. A few little things, but nothing that's going to be documented on video any farther. I've got all the information for the numbers of how much it cost and how long it took. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or follow me on Patreon, and we could talk and meet farther so that you can get a better understanding of how to do this and how much it costs, and we just talk about it if you're thinking about doing it. Or it was a fun project, learned a whole lot. I would do it again. It took a lot of time, but you know, it was worth it just to learn. Ended up making some money on it, so that's nice. But even if I didn't, I would still be satisfied with it because of how much I learned, and you know, it was a good time hanging out with my family and enjoying to do something new and exciting. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe and follow me on Patreon. Thanks.